Hey everyone, I just picked up some accessories for my JK kit and I wanted to do a quick head-to-head test and see how it performed. So the accessories I picked up are a taper mount adapter and a strainer end cap for the standard 155R MST kit. The test is being performed with a 16-inch intermediate gas system. I've got a silencer coat ASR muzzle brake, as well as the JK taper mount. And then we've also got the standard end cap as well as the strainer end cap. The test will be performed at a 100-yard, 5-inch target. Essentially, as soon as the dot lands back on the target, I was sending another round, just to give a little bit of a control and then analyze that performance. All right, we're doing a recoil management test. This is the JK Armament kit without the strainer currently for control on an ASR mount. 55 grain 23, 5 shots. All right, testing the JK Armament kit with the strainer, 5 rounds, 55 grain. And here's both overlaid so you can see them both at the same time. 5 shots. Well, there you have it. I know it's not the most scientific of a test, but it should be enough to demonstrate that it does appear to have some pretty significant recoil advantages. As for the noise, it was supersonic ammo. I still would recommend wearing hearing protection, but let's hear your comments down below. Let me know if you've been able to test out your own strainer kit and if you noticed any benefits as well. I'll throw some links down in the description for all the products that I used today, and have a great day, and thanks for watching.